I think we live in this wonderful age where we think we can control the gaps between our children. Sometimes that happens, sometimes that doesn't happen. I don't think there's any right answer to the question of how quickly or how far between each of our children we should have. If you do find yourself pregnant again, I think the most important thing is preparing your existing child for the presence of this new child. I don't think you can start the preparation early enough. There's a range of amazing books that you can read with your child about what happens when a new sibling comes along. And the more information you can give them about how the world might be a bit the same but a bit different when their new sibling comes along, the better. Little tips like the baby giving a present to the existing sibling can be very useful. It's often very helpful to involve your older child in some aspects of the care for the younger child, fetching the nappies, taking the nappy bag to the bin. There's lots of tasks that little children can be very excited at being involved in. And when the new sibling comes along, absolutely ensuring that you still make special time for that sibling, as well as caring for the needs of the new baby. And sometimes you might need to give your older child the message that it's okay, baby will cry for a couple of minutes while we're doing this very special thing together, so that your older child gets a message that they're just as important, their needs are just as important as baby's needs. It's very ordinary for children to be jealous of a new baby. Especially if you've had one child and then a new baby comes along. That child is moving from a world where they are the centre of the world to a world where they're sidelined for a lot of the time. Of course they're going to be jealous. It's a very ordinary emotion, and children for many, many hundreds and thousands of years have learnt to deal with this process. I think the key things are to carry on paying attention and having special time with your older child whenever you can, and making sure that that happens once a day at least, so that the older child knows that they're just as valuable, just as important, just as loved as the new baby.